Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about locus. Here, the locus is a set of points satisfying the given geometrical condition or given property is called locus. Locus is a variable point. It represented by x comma y. The equation of locus is also f of x comma y equal to 0. This equation of locus satisfies geometrical conditions. For example, AB is the line segment. Here P is the variable point, midpoint of AB. Here the given condition is PA equal to PB. The equation of locus is a perpendicular bisector of AB. This is the perpendicular bisector of AB. The equation of locus also satisfies some geometrical property equation. Next one. Here the locus is a variable point px comma y. The distance from px comma y to x-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis. This y-axis is here. Suppose the distance, this is the y units. The distance is the y units. Distance is always positive. Then the distance from px comma y to x-axis is mod y. Next, the distance from px comma y to y-axis. This line is parallel to x-axis. The distance is x-coordinate. The distance is x-coordinate. This distance is always positive. It represented by mod x. If px comma y is a locus point, the distance from px comma y to x-axis mod y. Next one, the distance from px comma y to y-axis is mod x. Next one, exercise 1a, first question. Find the equation of locus of a point which is at a distance of 5 from a equal to 4 comma minus 3. Here to find the equation of locus in this question, the locus point, let p equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Here the given point capital A equal to 4 comma minus 3. The given condition is the locus point is P, which is at a distance 5 from A. Here the given condition PA equal to 5. Squaring on both sides. PA square equal to 25. To apply the formula, distance between 2 points. Here square, the root is cancelled. X minus 4 whole square plus y minus of minus 3 plus 3. Y plus 3 whole square equal to 25. X minus 4 whole square, a minus b whole square formula. X square plus 4 square 16 minus 8x plus y square 3 square 9 plus 6y equal to 25. Here 16 plus 9 25. 16 plus 9 25. This value is cancelled 25. Here the locus equation x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y equal to 0. Therefore required equation of locus is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y equal to 0. Second one, find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the points capital A equal to minus 3 comma 2 and B equal to 0 comma 4. Here two end points, line segment end points, these are here capital A equal to minus 3 comma 2 and B equal to 0 comma 4. The locus point is equidistant from PA is equal to PB. The given condition is PA equal to PB. Let P x comma y be any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. Here the given points capital A equal to minus 3 comma 2, B equal to 0 comma 4. Given condition, locus point is equidistant from A and B. Given condition, PA equal to PB. Squaring on both sides. PA square equal to PB square. Apply the formula. X minus of minus 3 plus 3, x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to PB square. X minus 0 whole square, x square, y minus 4 whole square, y minus 4 whole square. Here expansion of a plus b whole square formula. X square 3 square 9 plus 6x, y square 2 square 4 minus 4y equal to x square plus y square 4 square 16 minus 8y. Here x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled. 6x minus 4y, 9 plus 4 13 is equal to 16 minus 8y. 6x minus 4y plus 8y, minus 4y plus 8y plus 4y. 13 minus 16 minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of locus. Therefore, required equation of locus is 6x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Third question. Find the equation of locus of a point P such that the distance of P from the origin is twice the distance of P from A equal to 1 comma 2. Here in this equation, let P equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Here the point is given origin. O equal to 0 comma 0. Capital A is given 1 comma 2. Here the given condition P from origin, that is PO, is twice the distance P from A to PA. Here the given condition PO equal to 2PA. Squaring on both sides. PO square equal to 2 square 4 PA square. PO square x minus 0 whole square x square plus y minus 0 whole square y square. 4 into PA square x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, x square plus y square, 4 into x minus 1 whole square expansion, x square plus 1 minus 2x. Here y minus 2 whole square, y square plus 4 minus 4y, x square plus y square, multiply with 4, 4x square, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into minus 2x, minus 8x, 4 into y square, 4y square, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into minus 4y, 16y. Here 4x square minus x square, 3x square, 4y square minus y square, 3y square minus 8x minus 16y, 4 plus 16, 20 plus 20 equal to 0. Therefore, required equation of locus is 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 equal to 0. Question number 4. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Here coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis. These axes are called coordinate axis. Here x-axis, y-axis, this is origin. Here locus point P, x comma y. The distance from P to x-axis is mod y, and distance from P to y-axis is mod x. These two distances are equal in the question. Let P x comma y be any point on the locus, be any point on the locus. The distance from P x comma y to x-axis equal to mod y. The distance from P x comma y to y-axis equal to mod x. Here the given condition, these two distances are equal. Given condition, mod y is equal to mod x. If modulus cancelled, then squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Y square equal to x square. Then x square minus y square equal to 0. This is the required equation of locus. Therefore, required equation of locus is x square minus y square equal to 0. Next, question number 5. Find the equation of locus of a point equidistant from capital A equal to 2 comma 0 and the y-axis. Here, this is the diagram. X-axis and y-axis, this is the origin. Capital A, this is the point is given 2 comma 0. This is lies on x-axis. Here P is the locus point x comma y. The distance from P to A is equal to the distance from P to y-axis. P to y-axis distance mod x. Here let P x comma y be any point on the locus. Capital A is equal to 2 comma 0 given in question. The distance from P x comma y to y axis mod x. Here given condition PA is equal to mod x. Given condition PA equal to mod x. Squaring on both sides. PA square equal to x square. PA square x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square. Y minus 0 whole square. Y square equal to x square. Expansion a minus b whole square formula. X square 2 square 4 minus 4x plus y square equal to x square. Here the x square is get cancelled. Y square minus 4x plus 4. This is the required equation of locus. Therefore, required equation of locus y square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Sixth question, find the equation of locus of a point P, the square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times its y coordinate. Here this is the coordinate axis, x axis, y axis is the origin O. Here the locus point P x comma y. The distance square of the distance, that means OP square, is equal to 4 times its y coordinate. The locus y coordinate is y. 4 times y coordinate means 4y. Here let P x comma y be any point on the locus. Origin is given. Origin O equal to 0 comma 0. Here the given condition, square of the distance P from origin OP square is equal to 4 times y coordinate, 4y. Here to apply the formula, x minus 0 whole square x square, y minus 0 whole square y square equal to 4y. X square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. This is the required equation of locus. Required equation of locus is x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. Seventh problem. Find the equation of locus of a point P such that PA square plus PP square equal to 2C square, where capital A equal to A comma 0, B equal to minus A comma 0. Even some small conditions given, 0 less than A, mod A less than mod C. Here the coordinates always small letters. Here 2C square, this is also a coordinate. This is small letter 2C square. Here this condition is C value 0 mod C. A value lies, the value of A lies in between 0 and C. The value of A lies in between 0 and C. Let P x comma y be any point on the locus. Here capital A equal to A comma 0 given in question, B equal to minus A comma 0. Here the given condition is directly given. Given condition PA square plus PP square equal to 2C square. To apply the formula, distance between 2 points, x minus A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square y square, PP square, x minus of minus A plus A, x plus A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square y square equal to 2C square. Here C it is a coordinate, either x or y. It is not a vertex. C is a coordinate here. X minus a whole square, x square plus a square minus 2ax, y square, x plus a whole square, x square plus a square plus 2ax plus y square equal to 2c square. Here minus 2ax plus 2ax get cancelled. X square, this is also x square. X square plus x square, 2x square. Y square plus y square, 2y square. A square plus a square, 2a square equal to 2c square. 2x square plus 2y square plus 2a square minus 2c square equal to 0. Here cancelled by 2. X square plus y square plus a square minus c square equal to 0. This is the required equation of locus. Therefore, required equation of locus is x square plus y square plus a square minus c square equal to 0. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.